Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to change the data of Excel during the presentation live. In most of the meetings you would required to efficiently present the data in front of your bosses. So this video will help you in order to display the Excel changes during the presentation in order to create or adding the edge in your presentations. So let's see how it will be worked out. First of all, definitely you would require to open a PowerPoint presentation. Open the Excel file in which you are required to add the data on the PPT. So let's say that you are going to discuss a graph on the presentation. So first of all, simply copy the graph and paste it on the PowerPoint slide. Adjust the graph accordingly on the PPT in order to show the data properly. Now what you would require is to click on the insert button, then here you will find an option object. Click on it, then click on create from file. Click on browse button and locate the file where you have saved the Excel file. Click on it and click OK. Viewers, be sure to check on the link button. This will change the data. When you change the data on Excel, it will change the graph during the presentation accordingly. So click on the link button, check on the link option and click OK. Be sure students, here you can see it is showing the graph. It is because on the Excel file I have opened the sheet 2 where I put the graph in the front. So simply click on the sheet where you have put the data and save the file. When you will click on save, it will show you the relevant data. So it means whatever display you are leaving on Excel will display on the PPT where you have put the data file. So after getting the data, simply adjust it on the PPT in order to display it properly. You can change, resize the data file accordingly. After putting this on the PPT, simply click on it, then you will have to go on the animations, then click on add animations, and in the bottom of this option you will find OLE action verbs. Click on it, click on added button, link, and click OK. Here you will see this kind of link sign or animation sign on the whatever data you are going to add on the PPT. So after using this option, go to the slideshow. You can go from this option or you can press F5 in order to start your presentation from the very start page. On the slideshow, whatever slide you have made will be displayed, and based on the provided data which you have linked on this PPT showing here, and the graph is here, and I am going to change the value of the company C, the sale value of the company C. I will just click on this value. It will display the relevant Excel file which I have linked with this PPT, with this presentation. You can adjust your Excel file accordingly. Whatever data you are going to change will change the graph. Not only the data file you have inserted on this presentation, but the graph as well. So simple click on the data file. It will open the Excel file. Now I'm going to change the sale value of C from 60 to 10. Here you can see it has changed the bar from 60 to 30. This change not have been made on the table, but also change the graph, right? But also changed the graph. So this is a very wonderful tool for the presentation purposes. If you would require to change the data live during the presentation to make your presentation more efficient and effective. Student, one more option you can use if you don't want this data to show during the presentation. So simply delete this, go on insert, then object, click on create from file, then browse and locate the file again, click OK, click check link option. Here you will find an option display as icon. Check on it and it will just show an Excel icon on the PowerPoint slide instead of showing the data. So click check display as icon and then click OK. Here you can see it showed you a symbol of Excel. Adjust it on the page accordingly. Click on it, click on animations, then add animations again, then only action verbs, select added and then OK. Go to the slideshow, and if you want to change the values of this graph, simply click on the Excel icon. It will open or show the Excel file, and here you can change the data. Let's say I am going to change the data of E. So simply I am changing the data of E company from 80 to, let's say, 40. Press enter. Here you can see it have changed the graph accordingly. One more time, I am going to change the sale value of A company from 10 to, let's say, 75. Press enter. It has changed the graph accordingly. So this is the very a wonderful option for the presentation. If you want to show the life changes during the presentation, this tool will help you in this regard. Thank you so much for watching.